Good morning, students. Let's continue our 8th chapter of history, Ashoka, the emperor who gave up war. In this video, we will talk about the Mauryan Empire, important cities of the Mauryan Empire. Students, there were several cities in the Mauryan Empire, and the main cities of the Mauryan Empire were Patliputra, Taxila and Ujjain. Three important cities of the Mauryan Empire were Patliputra, Taxila and Ujjain. Among these three cities, Patliputra, it was the capital city, or it was the capital of the Mauryan Empire. This remember for MCQ. Patliputra, it was the capital of the Mauryan Empire. Taxila, it was a gateway to the northwest, including Central Asia. Taxila, it was the gateway to the northwest, including Taxila. Whereas Ujjain lay on the route from north to south India. Ujjain lay on the route from north to south India. Students, if you observe your textbook, on page number 76, we are given a map. If you observe this map, you can find three black dots. You find three black dots. These black dots indicate three important cities of the Mauryan Empire: Patliputra, Taxila and Ujjain. And you can see in the map, in North India, Taxila, then in Central India, Ujjain, and in East India, Patliputra. Three cities, three important cities, they are marked with black dots. Even if you find many red dots on the map, these red dots indicate the cities where inscription of Ashoka have been found. On this map, on page number 76, you can witness three black dots and other red dots. So three black dots indicate three important cities of the Mauryan Empire: Patliputra, Taxila and Ujjain. And the red dots indicate the places where inscription of Ashoka have been found. In these cities, Patliputra, Taxila and Ujjain, these three important cities, in these three important cities, merchants, officials and craft persons probably lived. Merchants, officials and craft persons, they probably lived in these three cities: Patliputra, Taxila and Ujjain. In other areas, there were villages. And in villages, farmers and herders used to stay. In Central Asia, there were forests where people gathered forest produce and hunted animals for food. In Central India, there were forests where people gathered forest produce and hunted animals for food. The people living in the Mauryan Empire, they spoke different languages, they ate different food and they wore different clothes as they were in different parts of India. So this is about the important cities of the Mauryan Empire. Three important cities: Patliputra, it was the capital of the Mauryan Empire. Second city, Taxila, and third, Ujjain. Taxila, it was a gateway to the northwest, including Central Asia, whereas Ujjain, it lay on the route from north to South India. You observe the map on page number 76 and see the places. See these three important cities on the map, as well as the places where inscription of Ashoka have been found. On the map, you can witness black dots. They indicate three important cities: Patliputra, Taxila, and Ujjain, and red dots indicate the places where inscription of Ashoka have been found. Thank you, students.